Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Dear students, I am Saima Ismail from Divisional Public School and Intermediate College Lahore. Today we are going to start lecture number 6 of Computer Science for class 7. In our previous lecture, we have studied about expansion cards and expansion slots. Today's students' learning outcomes are cutting-edge technologies like barcode reader, fingerprint reader, robots. At the end of the lecture, there will be an assignment. Open page number 11 of your book, Cutting Edge Technologies. The definition of cutting edge technology is the latest or the most advanced stage in the development of the computer technology is known as cutting edge technology. So cutting edge technology refers to the technological devices, techniques, or achievements that employ the most current and high-level IT development, like smartphones, health monitoring technologies, tablet computers are examples of cutting-edge technology. In your book, we have to study about 3 cutting-edge technologies like barcode reader, fingerprint reader, and robots. Let's discuss about these cutting-edge technologies. Barcode reader. Before studying about barcode reader, we have to know that what are barcodes. So the definition of barcode is the set of light and dark bars or lines with different width pasted on different products. This is the image of barcode. In this image, you can see the set of lines or bars. Some lines are light, some are dark, some are thick, and some are thin. This is barcode, and you must have seen this barcode on different products. Now, barcode reader is an input device. It gathers information by reading a barcode. This is an image of barcode. It is an input device, so it is taking information by reading this barcode. Every barcode has a series of numbers known as Universal Product Code (UPC). In this image, this is Universal Product Code or UPC. It reflects the country of origin, manufacturer, code, product's name, and check digit to verify code. In this Universal Product Code, these 2 digits reflect country of origin. These digits reflect manufacturer's code. These digits reflect product name, and the last, this 1 digit reflects check digit. Check digit is a number that is used to guess that the code is correct or incorrect. In higher classes, you will learn more about check digit. Barcode reader is a laser scanning device like this. Usually a barcode reader is attached to the computer, as you can see here. It translates the information stored in the form of barcode. As you have seen, there is an information hidden in barcodes. So barcode reader is used to translate that information. This information includes batch number and product name. A batch number is printed on the label that allows the history of its production to be traced. So with the help of batch number, we can find out the history of the product. Barcode readers are mostly used in supermarkets, pharmacy, libraries, etc. Page number 12. Fingerprint reader. First of all, we have to see the definition of fingerprint. A fingerprint is an impression left by a finger or thumb. This is the close-up view of fingerprint. Now, fingerprint reader is a device that captures a fingerprint and translates it into a digital code. As barcode reader is used to translate the information in barcodes, fingerprint reader is used to capture fingerprint and then translate it into a digital code. This code is compared with the already stored information in the computer. Dear students, we have seen fingerprint scanners in a lot of devices in these days, including mobile phones. Secret codes is a great way to keep things private and safe. Human beings are lucky because every single person alive have totally unique secret code on their fingers. First, scanners take picture of your fingerprint. Then every time you swipe your finger on fingerprint reader, it takes it and match with original one. If they do, you win. Fingerprint reader is mostly used for criminal investigation and security systems. Some computers use it for login and users authentications. Users authentication, it means only genuine or original person is allowed to log in. There are some other uses of fingerprint reader given in your book, like fingerprint reader is used for car security system. Fingerprint reader is used for employees' attendance. Fingerprint reader is used in a door lock for home security. Page number 13. Robots. Robot is a machine which is controlled by a software contained in a chip. So every robot follows specific software that is contained in its chip. Robots are made to help human beings. It is an electric machine which has the ability to interact with physical objects. Interact means to communicate and react to the people you are involved with. Talking, playing a game, these type of activities allow you to interact with other people. And physical objects, a tangible and visible entity, an entity that can cast a shadow, is a physical object. The example of physical object is chair, table, book, laptop are examples of physical objects. Robots are also known as mechanical agents. Robots can perform tasks accurately and efficiently. As we know, robots are computers. So like computers, they perform their tasks very accurately and efficiently. They are classified on the basis of their design and the work they do. In this image, this is our dishwasher robot, and this robot is just designed to wash the dishes. This is a domestic robot, and this is designed to do some domestic work. This robot is playing music, and it can just play music because it has been designed to perform music. Robots are used in different fields such as car manufacturing, medicine, military, transportation, etc. This is pizza delivery robot built by Domino's. Many factory jobs are now performed by robots, as you can see in this image. NASA. NASA is an abbreviation of National Aeronautics and Space Administration. NASA is using robots for space exploration. In today's assignment, you have to attempt 4 questions. Number 1, define barcode. The last paragraph of the topic of barcode can be the answer of this question. What information is gathered from barcodes? First 2 paragraphs of the topic of barcode can be the answer of this question. Write down the 3 main uses of the fingerprint reader. You can write any 3 uses of fingerprint reader by giving numbers. What is the main function of robot? The whole topic of robot is the answer of this question. These are the instructions you have to follow while attempting your assignment. In the last lecture, I have asked a question: which type of modem is placed inside system unit and used for dial-up internet connections? The answer is internal modem. Dear students, Unit 1 of your book has been completed. You must have to clear your concepts about each topic by listening these lectures again and again. Now, with the help of these lectures and with the help of your book, you have to attempt objectives given at the end of this unit, including MCQs, fill in the blanks, and match the column. If you want to ask any questions or if you have any confusion, you can write on comment box. The reply will be given to you. Thank you. Take care and Allah Hafiz.